close your eyes.
Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about the most powerful library called Pandas AI, which combines the capabilities of pandas as well as artificial intelligence. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Pandas AI with a simple example. As you all know, Pandas is an open source data manipulation and analysis library in Python, which helps you to clean, transform your data and visualize actionable insights. So with Pandas, you can able to easily load your data, whether it's from a CSV file or spreadsheets or even databases. On the other hand, artificial intelligence can predict future trends and classify data into meaningful features and cluster similar data points together. So here is a simple workflow to get you started. First is data loading. You can load your data using Pandas. So next is data pre-processing. You clean your data, remove missing values, and as well as transform your data. So next is exploratory data analysis. You uncover insights with statistics and visualization. Feature engineering. So you create new features with AI. So next is applying machine learning techniques like decision trees, regression, or clustering. Next step is evaluating your model and fine tuning it if needed. The next thing is translating AI predictions into real world decisions. So whether it's a sales data or social media trend analysis or medical research, Pandas AI can help you with that. So let's see how we can use Pandas AI in Python code with a simple example. So first you need to install Pandas AI library. So I'm going to use pip install Pandas AI. So now I'm going to import Pandas library, import Pandas as PD, and next is Pandas AI from Pandas AI, import Pandas AI. So I'm going to run this. All okay. So I'm also creating a data frame to work with Pandas AI. So here is the data frame. I have 3 columns: country, GDP, and happiness index. So I'm going to run this. So next, we are going to use the Pandas AI and OpenAI large language model. So for this, from Pandas AI .llm .openai import OpenAI. I'm going to run this. So OpenAI is imported. So now you need to set the access token. So I'm going to create a variable and going to use OpenAI or API underscore token parameter. I'm going to paste my API token here. Next, I'm going to tell you how to create this API token from OpenAI. So OpenAI API key. So open this. You have API reference, and you just need to click on your login. So in your account, after logging in, you just need to view your API keys. So I'm going to create a new key. These are the keys I have already used, but I can't reuse those keys as we can't able to copy this. So you need to create a new secret key. I'm going to create a new secret key. So I'm going, this is test Pandas AI example. I'm going to create this key. So copy this and you just need to paste it. I'm going to delete this key afterwards. So don't try to use this key. Done. And I'm going back to the collab. I'm just pasting the API token key here. So I'm going to, so now we are going to create a variable pandas underscore AI and I'm going to use Pandas AI and pass that LLM here. So once this is done, you just need to pass your prompt and also the DF. So let's see the response. We are going to use Pandas underscore AI and going to pass the whole data frame that we have just created. And the name is DF, comma, and we are going to ask. So in this data frame, let's ask OpenAI which are the 5 happiest countries. So this is going to consider this happiness index and list the 5 happiest countries from the list. So response. So the response is stored in the response variable, and I'm just going to print it. Response. So these are the top 5 happiest countries: Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Germany, and United States. As you can see, this has the highest, happiest happiness index. So that's it. This is very, very simple and very powerful. As you can see that you are just passing the data frame and it's just listing based on your prompt, it returns the response. So we can try a lot of other things as well, like cleaning the data and removing missing values or creating new features and so on. So let's do some other manipulations as well. So I'm also trying to create another response by passing the same data frame, Pandas AI, and this time I'm going to ask first 2 rows in the data frame. I'm going to response. So these are the first 2 rows in the data frame. As you can see, United States and United Kingdom. So United States and United Kingdom are the first 2 rows. And yeah, you can ask OpenAI to plot as well, visualize. So let me just create another one. Ask creator bar plot with countries and also GDP. So that's it. That's a bar plot generated with the OpenAI. That's really great and cool. It creates a lot of visualization, and you can also give different colors for the bar charts. You can also ask how many columns in the data frame. In the data frame, so there are 3 columns. One is country, GDP, and happiness index. Or you can ask how many rows in the data frame. So there are 10 rows in the data frame. United States. Yeah, that's about 10 rows. And so you can also ask the OpenAIs that are there any missing values? Any missing values in the data frame? False. So that means there are no missing values in the data frame. So next I'm going to ask another visualization. So this is it. Plot the histogram of countries for the GDP with different colors. So I'm going to ask for a response. So now it is a little bit congested, and let me just ask the OpenAI to increase the width. So I'm going to give width 1000. Click on it. So yeah, that's it. So now it's clear, displaying the histogram for each country in different colors. And let's ask different question. For example, so I'm going to ask another request to display a pie chart. Draw a pie chart or GDP across countries. So highest GDP United States, followed by China. So these are some of the visualizations that we have done using OpenAI. So it's just pretty straightforward. You just need to give the prompt and have the API token. And yeah, Pandas AI can help you with the loading of Pandas data frame, and you are just passing in the prompt. So that's it. I hope you like this video. We can also do a lot of stuff with Pandas AI. So this is just a introduction video which showcases a very simple example of how we can use Pandas AI for creating the data frame, loading the data frame, and creating this visualizations, and also exploring the data frame itself. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, write it in our comment section, and stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.
Close your eyes.